Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search files in Proton Drive in 2026. So if you have lots of files and you can't find what you need quickly, this guide will make it super easy step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Proton Drive account. Once you're inside, you'll see your main file dashboard. Next, look at the top of your screen and find the search bar. This is where you can quickly search for any file or folder. Now type the name of the file you're looking for. Even a partial name can help you find it faster. Next, use filters if available. You can narrow results by file type, date, or folder location. Now click on the file from the search results to open or preview it. Next, check the file location if needed so you know exactly where it's stored in your drive. Now organize your files into folders and use clear names so searching becomes even faster in the future. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to search files in Proton Drive. Now you can find anything quickly without wasting time scrolling. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Hey,